So hey everyone, I have Rohit Ghumare with me. He is a very good mentor and a very good friend from tech space, and we are here at KCD Delhi. It's happening for the first time. So Rohit, can you please introduce yourself for everyone?
Hello, I'm Rohit. I'm also CNC of Marketing Chef 2025, and I have built kubectl MCP server and published it to CNCF Landscape. Then I am also active in developer relations activities. Then more of a CNCF, AI agents, MCP, and all. So if you have anything related to that, you can reach out to me anytime.
Yeah. So today I'm going to have a rapid fire with Rohit. So I'm going to have a few questions, Rohit. You have to answer that. So what will you say Kubernetes in one word?
It is orchestrated.
Okay, so yeah, and DevOps in 2026.
I can't use some words, but yeah, it is more like a DevOps has been culture from long time,
Yes, yes,
but now as the AI is evolving, everyone needs to evolve.
yes. And AI plus Kubernetes.
My MCP server,
Yeah,
kubectl MCP
that's
server,
that's really great. And one tool you regret not learning earlier,
Cloud Code.
Cloud Code. Yeah, Cloud Code. I'm also learning it right now,
Yeah, it
and
is
I'm
the
also
best.
using it. It's really great. And logs, metrics, or traces. What will you prefer?
Everything is needed, but
Yes,
traces
traces. Yeah,
if
the
I want to
most.
choose.
Yes, yes. And Vim or VS Code.
Cursor,
Cursor. That's the best. And self-hosted or managed.
self-hosted
Yeah,
always. Yeah.
always self-hosted. And Helm or Customize.
Helm.
Helm. Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. And Terraform or Pulumi.
Terraform.
Terraform for the win.
Yeah.
Same here. And GitOps or traditional CI/CD.
Yeah, if you can set up traditional CI/CD is the best. GitOps is different. Yeah, it's like traditional CI/CD works in AI agentic infra as well as AI agents and everywhere, right? And GitOps is more like how you can do the Git and plus operations and then versioning and how you connect, yeah, how you connect different things together. Like I have some series on it, so you can definitely check it out. But if we talk about currently what you should learn about traditional CI/CD, so let's say people are talking about skills, then standardization, MCP, and all. So build something where teams can sync between two things, like teams can sync between their agents, and then have the skills been synced somehow, like CI, CD. So I have built some tool around it, like skill kit and all. So definitely recommended. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it for the rapid fire. Thank you so much, Rohit. And if you want to connect with Rohit, I'll tag his profile and you can go to his profile and check all of his links. You can connect with him on Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you want. You can check his YouTube channel. So, yeah, thank you so much for Rohit.
Yeah, thank you. I also work at Moshia.dev, so definitely check out the website. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.